Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into the world of MIUI and I'm going to show you how to customize it like a pro. Let's get started. MIUI, Xiaomi's custom Android skin, is known for its flexibility and customization options. Whether you're looking to change the look of your icons, tweak the status bar, or completely revamp your home screen, MIUI has got you covered. Let's explore the basics first. First, unlock your phone and head over to the Settings app. Themes are a great way to change the entire look and feel of your device in one go. Here's how you can do it. Open the Themes app. Here you can browse through a variety of themes. Once you find one you like, just tap download and then apply. See how easy that was. Your phone now has a completely new look. Next up, let's talk about icons. If you want to change the style of your app icons, MIUI makes it simple. In the Themes app, go to the Icons tab. Browse through the available icons packs. Download your favorite and hit apply. Now you can have a fresh set of icons that match your style. Customizing the home screen layout can make your device more functional and visually appealing. Let's do that next. Long press on the home screen and select Settings. Here you can change the home screen layout, add widgets and more. For example, if you want to choose a 4x6 or 5x7 grid to fit more apps on your screen, play around with the layout until you find one that works best for you. Next is widgets. Widgets are incredibly useful for accessing information at a glance. Here's how to add them. Long press on the home screen, then tap Widgets. Then drag and drop your preferred widgets onto the home screen. Widgets can really enhance the functionality of your home screen, so choose ones that you use frequently. Next up, status bar and notification. Customizing the status bar and notification can help you manage your notifications better and give your phone a cleaner look. Go to Settings, then Notifications and Status bar. Here you can change the battery indicator style, hide the notch and more. Tailor the status bar to your liking to keep your notifications organized. Next up is Control Center. MIUI's Control Center is another area you can customize to your preference. Go to Settings, then on Control Center and Notification Shade. You can change the layout, toggle features on and off, and even customize the background. Make sure to set it up in a way that gives you quick access to the settings you use the most. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to customize MIUI like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.